Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another visiting around Dalat. I find myself, if you're not familiar with it, I'm now in Dalat, a city more like inland of Vietnam. And this morning I went to visit the look, I cannot remember all the names or why the name of somewhere here, but like it's a lake always in the city of Dalat. In near to that, there is near the lake. I took the chance to also go and visit the waterfall, and I just realized that my red flag while traveling is the fact that if I can walk there, I'll walk there, even if it's 20 minutes by walk, which will most likely turn out in 40 minutes walking. Even if it's raining, it's scorching hot, if I can get there and it's less than an hour, then I'll get there. Okay, so as I was saying, just a 20 minutes walk from the lake, it's there is a pretty famous coffee shop which is called Secret Garden, but I felt like that was more like a tourist trap. I mean, if it's something that you want to do, then definitely do that, but like you have to pay 100,000 dong, and basically it's just to take some photos for Instagram, and in that price it's included a drink of some sort. Didn't feel like doing that. I think that there are so many more interesting coffee shops around Vietnam, and just felt like it was some sort of a tourist trap, so I prefer to avoid that, and kept walking through the Datanla Waterfall. Just for your reference, there are different ways that and different activities that you can actually do here, like zip lining, canoeing, go through the forest, doing some sort of climbing or whatever. But I just decided I just wanted to visit the waterfall, and that's it. And the ticket for that, it's 50,000 dong for each person. So right now I'm just walking and see where it will lead me. That was honestly so worth it. It's such a beautiful waterfall, and I mean, I love waterfall. I love treasuring waterfalls wherever I am all around the world, and this is beautiful. And there are so many spots and places and corner where you can take pictures and video. It's definitely really worth it. And even the weather today, it's contributing to all of that because it's not sunny, it's not overly hot, so that's really great.